In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Sora AI Video App 2025. We're going to install Sora as a desktop web app using your browser, so it opens in its own window like a regular application. This works great on modern browsers such as Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Sora and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Sora link that takes you to the Sora experience hosted by the ChatGPT site. Checking the URL helps you avoid lookalike pages. You want the result that points to the official Sora page. Click into the Sora website, then proceed to the Sora section so you're on the main Sora experience page. Give the page a second to load completely. You should now be inside Sora, ready to explore. Next, look to the upper right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main browser menu. If you don't see it, make sure the window is maximized and you're not in full screen mode. When the menu opens, scroll down to the area labeled Cast, Save, and Share. This section contains options for installing sites as apps. Within that section, click Install Page as App. Depending on your browser, the wording might be slightly different, like install this site as an app, but it means the same thing. On some devices, especially mobile, you might see Add to Home Screen instead. That's the mobile equivalent of installing the page as an app. A small confirmation window will appear. Click Install to proceed. The browser will create a standalone app window for Sora and add a shortcut to your system. On Windows, you'll typically find it in the Start menu and you can pin it to the taskbar. On macOS, it appears in Launchpad and the Applications folder under a Browser App section. The app will open without standard browser tabs, giving you a cleaner, focused Sora workspace. From here on, you can launch Sora directly from the new app icon. Because it's a web app, it updates automatically in the background. No manual downloads needed. If you don't see the install option, make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome or Edge and that you're on the correct Sora page over a secure connection. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Sora AI Video app for 2025 as a desktop web app, ready for faster access and a smoother creative workflow.